I don't know what my girlies on here have to say, but when I do my brows, not only do they need to be defined, sharp as can be, but honey, they need to last. That's why I'm so excited for one of Catrice's favorites. This is the Essential Brow Set from Catrice Cosmetics. So let's see how defined these brows can really be. This is a limited edition trio that you can purchase from Cosmetics SA's website. These brows of mine need to be sharp and defined. Therefore, I'm going in with the Catrice Cosmetics Eyebrow Stylist. It's got a brush on the one side and then the precise waterproof pencil on the other side. I'm first going to brush through my brow. Then I'll be taking the Eyebrow Stylist pencil to shape and define my brow. I absolutely love how the tip of the Eyebrow Stylist pencil is so precise that one can really mimic hairs with light feather-like strokes. Just look at the difference. And that's just the first step. I obviously need to set this in place, so I'm going in with the Catrice Waterproof Powder Brow Set. Comes in 2 shades, and then it comes with this little applicator with a spoolie and a little brush. Let's go in with this lighter shade. I love the fact that not only the Eyebrow Stylist is waterproof, but the brow powder set as well. I mean, my brows are literally going nowhere. And you can already see how these two products alone have made a huge difference when it comes to the appearance of my brows. It really helps to afterwards just comb and disperse the powder through the brows. How gorgeous, doesn't that look so far? Now finally, to set this beautiful bold brow in place, I'm going in with the Catrice Super Glue Brow Styling Gel. This calls for ultra strong hold. Evenly coating and distributing this through the brows really ensures for that lifted and laminated look that I'm pretty sure every girl wants in their brows. The key to achieving those fluffy and laminated brows is really to brush upwards and outwards. I can tell you right now, this baby is going nowhere. As you can see, there is a huge difference. I am so obsessed with the outcome of my brows, and I literally don't think they've ever looked this good, and I'm not even joking. If you have not yet tried the Essential Brow Set from Catrice Cosmetics, do yourself a favor, stop missing out, girl, and whenever you get your hands on this brow styling set, let us know what your thoughts and experience is, because this is so affordable, guys, for 3 products. It's a steal.